Hey YouTube, this is Jay and T Customs. I'm Jay.
I'm T.
And how are you doing? Alright YouTube, this is going to be a special episode. We're here, we're working on a, what year is this thing?
2013.
2013 Charger, and it's got the 5.7 Hemi in it. And what we're going to do today, or tonight, as you can see it's dark out, tonight we are going to rip out the mufflers in this and put in little tips like we did on the Mustang. Alright, so the owner of this car is behind the camera today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you over to T, and he's going to run the rest of the show. I'm going to disappear. Enjoy.
Alright, so these are what we're talking about. They got the Flowmaster little shorty guys. We're taking these out and we are straight piping it all the way back. So we will get back to you, and I'll take one out and then we'll come back. Alright.
There you go.
Don't. Alright, so this one came out pretty well. This one, I snapped the bolt, so we're having a bit of an issue taking this one out. But that didn't stop us from doing nothing. So we're just trying to finesse it off, I guess. I don't know. So I'll come back when we get this off, and we'll show you the back. So what happened was this bolt for the clamp rounded out, so we can no longer put a socket on this to take this off. You're going to have this problem, you know, numerous times. Things happen. So because this is just a clamp and we don't need it because we're welding the entire thing together, take an angle grinder and just cut the thing off. Alright? It's gonna get loud, sparks are gonna be flying. Yeah. Like so. So now this clamp is cut. Now we just kind of pry it out of the way. Now notice how if you wanted to take this clamp and reuse it, that is no longer an option because you cut it in half. So note that when you take these off and you've cut the clamp, you can no longer use it. I cannot see where I put my stuff. So now this is loose, which is very nice. So one thing you might need to do is you might need to undo the hanger to have this hang a little bit lower so you can pry it out. That is what I am going to attempt to do right now. Potentially. Screwdriver. why everything's hot, Brock.
Not sure.
Everything goes to plan.
Hey, how goes it, man?
I got the hanger out, clamp out. Now I just gotta take this off. So, with engineering, somewhat working. These things are so tight on this right now. Oh, come on.
Can't take the backpacking out?
No, I'm good. It's coming out. It's almost there. It's just... That's all.
Fresh.
How far away? Oh, not very far away. Where's...
Get the back hanger back here. If you take the back hanger out, you'll be alright.
You know what's gonna happen? As soon as this thing falls, it is going to hit me in this chest at Mach 7. It is going to hurt.
You're as far back as you can go. You're gonna have to take the hangers out. You got two hangers back here.
Oh. Thank you. That's what I used to take hard out. I mean, it sucked and it took a while, but I got it out.
You can see what I'm doing.
Oh, someone can turn that off. Here's the other. It's sweaty.
Put it back on.
Brock, I just want to let you know that your emblem's on there by super glue. That's what all this shit.
That's what you like to hear. If I have that clay, can you move that?
It's like come off the pin. That's why I want to unbolt it.
Huh?
That's why I want to unbolt it because there's nothing coming out of the rubber. too
I don't
tight.
see it in there either. Alright. I'm working on it. You gotta hold that, because...
You gotta hit it.
Love them out. Well, I don't
Did we
have
find our iron one?
no. Do you know what I do have? I have a hammer.
I ain't got it.
I can swing.
Dial it over.
I could swing my leg down.
Yeah, you have to relocate yourself.
Oh, that is in the way.
You have to relocate yourself. Alright, YouTube, don't try this at home.
Yep.
Alright, where's the pipe?
How to lose children 101. Do exactly what I just did.
Where's the pipe?
On top of the green box.
Grab the pipe. You want these?
No, I'm right for now.
Alright.
Put them on. I'm gonna need them for these.
Put them on.
Right here.
Oh.
Sorry.
I don't know what y'all need.
Just one of these too.
Slide. Oh yeah, that looks pretty dang nice. I don't know why. And this fits right there. Once I get that coupler on.
Here's the coupler.
That'll fit. Oh, thank you. There's that. Slides in. Out. Now this. Slides in like that. Now this. Comes back. Oh boy.
Yeah, you kind of gotta go really get like slow.
Pull it out. Put it. Now put it in first.
Yep.
No, put the pipe.
Oh, I see how this is good.
Go there.
That's why it's easier to unbolt the brackets.
Why you gotta do it like that?
So you should unscrew the bracket.
That's alright. We got room to work with. Might cut a little bit of it.
No, you don't want to cut it. You want it to slide in. Just unscrew the hanger.
I can't unscrew the hanger.
Why not?
Because there's nothing screwed in.
What?
It's not a screw in. It's a pop in and pop in.
So then you should take it. All right. So take the pipe down and undo that.
Undo what?
That hanger. Undo the hanger. Trust me, you're going to really wish you did. Here, spray it up so it's nice and slippery. Watch your face.
Yep.
Shove the screwdriver in there. You really should put clothes on because you're going to break your knuckles. You have to get a screwdriver in there.
Oh,
You're laying up.
I'm coming.
where did you go? Oh, that helps.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
You know, figured whoever did that, thank you.
there you go. Right.
Bonk. Okay. On. On. Turn. Turn. Hey. Nope. Okay. Stuck. I got it stuck. I got it stuck. Unstuck yourself. Back on.
Now put the hanger back on.
Yeah, see, it's just a little dinky thing.
No, put the other one on first.
Put it on here first?
Yep.
I think it needs to slide.
Right.
No, I'm saying this needs to twist.
That's got it?
Nope. Nope.
Negative.
Negative, Ghost Rider. What do you need? All you need is salt.
You get it now?
Almost. Yeah, actually. Bang, 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 bang. Bang, bang. Ah!
That tastes good now there.
That like went in my mouth. It was gross.
Say what?
Oh. Hey!
What do you mean by that?
Clip!
Now the issue is this.
Yeah, your hanger's gotta go back in.
I know, but the problem is.
Oh. There's no problem. If we have an issue, make a new hanger. Simple as that.
You gonna weld or clamp it on?
Weld it.
You have
The first one always takes longer because we have no idea what we're doing. The second one, easy.
right, but it has to come here. Because you
Like I said, it needs to twist in the pipe, and it didn't twist.
because it's offset, that's what I'm saying.
Ah!
So when you weld it,
Find it out. Use the powerful muscle.
innovation that excites.
No, not innovation that excites. Because now I need to do it this way. All right,
Innovation.
children loser 3000 right here.
Do it again. You gotta twist it back and forth. Rock it back and forth. That's it. see. You got to see where it's at. There you go. Swoop, comes right out. 1, 2, 3. All right, gentlemen, we need some pipe. Pipe, please.
Where'd you put them, Nina? Oh, right there.
You little baby Georgia.
Don't hit the gas. Just
I
start it.